File Browser. File Browser is the new added function in CADbro 2017 SP1 version, which can quickly locate the file directory and add your common file path to your favorites. Open CADbro, you can find the File Browser on the right of the software. Click the recent files. CADbro will list all the recent open files on the bottom list windows. You can change the filter list mode or quickly type a name to search the specific file. Just double-click or drag the file to the window. CADbro will open the file on the graphic window. The list menu on the middle lists all the root directories on your PC. Double-click to access the subdirectory. Using the Format filter, you can quickly find the specific file format, like STEP, IGES, Parasolid, SolidWorks, CATIA, or other file formats. So it's very easy to list the specific file format for your importing. What's more, you can add your common file paths to the favorites list. This setting will store to the software even if CADbro is restarted. This is quite a convenient function.